Hey everyone, if you want to create a professional Behance profile in 2026, like attracting clients, recruiters, and building a strong portfolio, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to set it up properly. First, open Behance and sign in using your email or your Adobe account. This is your starting point. Next, upload a clear and professional profile picture. This builds trust instantly. Now write a strong bio that clearly explains your skills like graphic design, UI design, or illustration. Keep it short but impactful. After that, add your skills and tools such as Photoshop, Illustrator, or Figma. This shows what you can actually do. Next, choose your niche. Focusing on one area like UI/UX or branding makes your profile look more professional. Now upload only your best projects. Quality matters more than quantity on Behance. After that, organize your portfolio in a clean order with your strongest work at the top. This improves your presentation. Finally, add your website, social media, and contact information. This helps clients or recruiters reach you easily. So yeah, that's how you create a professional Behance profile in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can build a strong online presence and attract opportunities. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!